Imagine getting paid $2,000 just for sharing your opinion on TikTok. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. TikTok is running 2 campaigns right now where you can win some serious cash. Whether you're a sports fanatic or just love creating content, you're going to want to stick around for this. We're breaking down everything you need to know about the TikTok baseball campaign and the TikTok golf campaign, including how to enter and, most importantly, how to win. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe now. Alright, so what are these campaigns all about? TikTok has launched 2 separate campaigns, the TikTok golf campaign and the TikTok baseball campaign. Both campaigns are giving away a $2,000 cash reward to the top 10 creators. That's a total of 20 winners. The premise for both is pretty similar. Create a high-quality video sharing your insights, predictions, and favorite moments from the respective sports. Let's go over the how to enter part, because there are a few key rules you need to follow. First, you have to be a US resident and at least 18 years old. Your videos must be at least 1 minute long. You need to post your video to your public TikTok account between July 22 and August 19th, 2025. And this is crucial. You have to include the specific campaign hashtag in your post. For the baseball campaign, that's TikTok Baseball Campaign. And for the golf campaign, it's TikTok Golf Campaign. They also mention that you can submit multiple videos to increase your chances of winning, so don't be afraid to get creative with more than one submission. Now, what kind of videos are they looking for? For the TikTok Golf Campaign, you're asked to share your women's men's golf analyses. The app even gives you some inspiration, like best putt, best drive, and rising stars. For the TikTok Baseball Campaign, the focus is on mid-season reflections and predictions. Ideas include most impressive catches, best comebacks, and best pitching. Remember, the TikTok team is looking for high-quality content based on originality, craftsmanship, viewer engagement, and relevance to the topic. So, no reposting other people's stuff or just uploading match clips and highlights. They want your unique take. Here's the timeline you need to remember. The submission period is running from July 22 to August 19th, 2025. Make sure you get your videos up before 11:59 p.m. PT on August 19th. After that, the TikTok team will review all the submissions from August 20th to August 26th. The winners will be notified after late August 2025. So, if you've got a passion for golf or baseball and a knack for creating engaging videos, this is your chance to shine and win some serious money. Remember to read the official rules on the TikTok Studio before you join. The great news is, there's no purchase necessary, so what have you got to lose? Join now. Click the link in the description to find the campaigns on TikTok and start creating your videos. Let me know in the comments which campaign you'll be entering. Good luck, and I can't wait to see your submissions. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you.